Hey, Chuggy here, and I'm wanting to show off a new toy I've got, the Rodger charger for the veteran Lynx and for the veteran Patton in my case. Rodger's come out with a number of different chargers. At first he had the V3, then he came out with the V4 series, then he has the SCs. This is an SC that is rated from 121 to 168 volts. And I'm going to show you how to use it, and then I'm going to also talk about how you can get a Rodger charger. And by the way, this is the Rodger charger. This is the stock Lynx charger, and this is the stock Patton charger. So with this Rodger charger, you hit this button here and you can hold it. And then you've got your voltage, and you can change your voltage. So I'm going to go down in volts. Oops, I'm going up in volts. I'm going to go down in volts. Oddly enough, you roll down to go up in volts. You roll up to go down in volts. But anyway, I'm going to roll it down to 126 is what the Patton wants to be charged at. I had it at 151.2, which is the correct voltage for the Lynx. So 137, 136, 135. Takes a while because it's real accurate. You can go like to a tenth of a volt on any of these voltages with it. We're into the 120s, 127 and 126 volts. And if I hit the button again, I can change amperage. Right now I've got it at 14 amps, which would be great if I was like at a on a ride with the guys, and we were recharging during a lunch ride or something. I could give it full voltage and a full amperage and really get that charge up in a hurry. But a lot more than the stock charger is only 5 amps, so it'd be almost 3 times as fast as the stock charger. But for being at home and not wanting to charge real quickly, what I can do is I can crank that amperage on down. So 5, 4, 3, 2, down to 1 amp even. And 1 amp would take like 14 hours or something to charge my Patton. But if I time it out and do it that way, I'm putting the least amount of stress possible on my battery charging up, which is one of the things I like about the Rodger charger. So you can see it is roughly close to the same footprint as like the Patton and the charger for the Lynx, but it's skinnier. It's definitely not as high. You can see there, so it would kind of fit easier in a backpack. It takes up a little less space and volume in a backpack than the stock chargers, in addition to charging at 3 times their speed. And it comes with, he sent it with this cable. I told him I wanted to charge both the Patton and the Lynx. And these ends will plug into my Patton. But then if I simply take this bit off, I'll pause and take that off. Now I've got the bigger, bulkier charge port for the Lynx, so I can plug it in and charge either my Patton or my Lynx with this. And of course you could get pigtails for other unicycles as well. So I'm going to go ahead and weigh each of these. I think the Rodger is a little heavier than either of the stock chargers, just to let you know what the weight is. So I've got this happy little scale here. And it's coming online. It's tiered to 0. Okay, I'm going to unplug my Rodger charger. I notice when you unplug it, the fan goes real fast for a second. I think it's it like puts the rest of its energy from its capacitors into the fan to make sure it's cool when you unplug. But let's see what Rodger charger weighs. It weighs, looks like 31.03 ounces versus Patton charger is, I think that's 20.61. I don't know. The scale is not the best. And $20.6 or 2 pounds 6. Let's do the Rodger Charger one more time here. Yeah, it's 3 pounds 10 ounces is what it is. That's what the scale's reading. Okay, Rodger 3 pounds 10. Lynx Charger 2 pounds 4 ounces. And Patton Charger 2 pounds 6 ounces. So it is a little chunkier, but it is smaller, and it charges at 3 times the speed of the other chargers. So I'm going to talk about how you actually get a Rodger charger. To get the Rodger charger, you have to install this app called Telegram. I'd never used it before. I was a little sketchy first putting it on, but I read about it, and it's just a very secured messenger that won't cause you problems when you it's highly secure, a form of a messenger for your computer. Then you can go to Rodger Hajai and message him, and these are the prices for his chargers. So this one was $350 plus the 15 shipping for $365. I'm kind of interested in this. It seems like he's got an EV adapter for the chargers. That might be a cool thing worth $60 if I wind up wanting to charge it from my wheel from an EV charger. But anyway, on Telegram, you message him, you tell him you want a wheel, then he sends back the the price and everything, and tells you about the different chargers and what your options are. And I could have got a V4 charger, which is a bit bulkier, and it goes to 152 volts for the Lynx, but I like the idea of this one that would do both the SC with the 121 to 168 that would do both the Patton and the Lynx, and he said it was also a smaller charger. So anyway, so yeah, you message Rodger, and then he sends you information to PayPal him. When you do PayPal, make sure to do it as friends and family so that the fee doesn't go to Rodger. Otherwise, he'll refund your payment, and because that's not going to work for him. He actually needs the $365 in hand. So when you PayPal him, don't select merchandise, select friends and family, and you send your payment out to Rodger. And it took me, I don't know, it was right around Christmas time I did this, so it might have been a little over a week, but he seems to get the things in the mail quickly and out to you. So I highly recommend joining the Rodger Charger group on Telegram and getting you one if you got a wheel that you want to charge in a hurry, or you want to charge really slow to protect your battery. Anyway, having fun with it, and kind of a neat way to charge, and should be really handy on those longer group rides. Chuggy out.